I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb stories. Stress. Before we start, here are some tips. First, watch and listen to the story. During the story, try to guess the phrasal verb meanings from the context. Next, answer the quiz questions after the story. Then, watch and listen to the story again so you can understand how to use the verbs. After the second listen, there are explanations and examples. Finally, leave a comment below and practice. I'm your YouTube teacher. A stressful day. After a hard day at work, Steve felt like breaking down from the stress. He didn't want to bottle up his emotions, so he talked to another coworker about how he felt. However, his coworker didn't understand, so Steve lashed out in anger and started yelling. Finally, he calmed down and realized he needed to find a way to cheer up and get rid of the stress. Quiz time! Pause the video for each question. Steve felt like breaking down from the stress. What does break down mean? Recover, laugh, lose control, cry. That's right, it's C. Lose control. He didn't want to bottle up his emotions. What does bottle up mean? Spill liquid, keep inside, store water, order a drink. That's right, it's B. Keep inside. Steve lashed out and started yelling. What does lash out mean? Apologize, hide, think, react angrily. That's right, it's D. React angrily. Finally, he calmed down. What does calm down mean? Get upset, become relaxed, lose control, go to sleep. That's right, it's B. Become relaxed. He needed to find a way to cheer up. What does cheer up mean? Support, get upset, become happier, improve. That's right, it's C. Become happier. He wanted to get rid of the stress. What does get rid of mean? Increase, decrease, eliminate, meditate. That's right, it's C. Eliminate. Let's apply it. Watch the video again with the definitions. Repeat the story with me to help you memorize. After, you can see more examples and write your own sentences in the comments section. Let's go. A stressful day. After a hard day at work, Steve felt like breaking down from the stress. He didn't want to bottle up his emotions, so he talked to another coworker about how he felt. However, his coworker didn't understand, so Steve lashed out in anger and started yelling. Finally, he calmed down and realized he needed to find a way to cheer up and get rid of the stress. Examples: the pressure of the situation made her break down in tears. He tends to bottle up his feelings and doesn't share them with others. When he's stressed, he often lashes out at those around him. A good joke is enough to cheer her up when she's feeling down. She decided to get rid of all the old clothes she no longer wore. Phrasal verb extras. Break down can also mean to stop functioning for a machine, or to divide something into smaller parts. Bottle is not a normal verb, but here we can be creative and make a new one: bottle up. Lash out often involves an aggressive reaction to something, either physically or verbally. Cheer up is often used to help someone who is feeling sad or upset. Get rid of can mean eliminating physical items or abstract things like feelings or problems. Separation. We can separate some phrasal verbs. We have to memorize the verbs we can separate. This is a very difficult skill to learn, and there's no easy way except practice. It's best to repeat what you hear and hope to learn naturally. A great place to practice is the comments section. We can separate bottle up, bottle it up, cheer up, cheer him up, calm down, calm him down. We can't separate break down in this context, lash out, get rid of. Extra examples. If you feel bad, don't bottle it up. Just let it out. He always bottles up his feelings instead of discussing them. When she feels frustrated, she often lashes out at her friends. Cheer her up. She's had a difficult time. The baby keeps crying. We need to calm him down. It's important to get rid of any negative feelings to enjoy the weekend. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.